Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and by the title you guys already know that I am here to share my experience, or in a way you can say that I'm here to share my review on SMA. So if you guys don't know what SMA is basically a makeup academy, and that's where I got my professional makeup artist certificate from. So if you guys want to know more, then please keep on watching. SMA basically stands for Scandinavian Makeup Academy, and yeah, that's why it's better to call it SMA, because it really feels like a tongue twister sometimes, but it's really not. But for some people it can really be hard to pronounce. So let's talk about how I got to know about SMA. I was in 12th when I was looking for makeup academies and all that, because I really wanted to get into makeup, like something related to makeup. I was so creative and I really wanted to learn more about makeup. I searched about makeup academies in India, and there were a few of the academies that I first saw, and then at last I came to know about SMA. And the thing is that the first thing I saw from SMA was like these creative makeup looks, and I got so interested in it and I really wanted to know more. So I clicked on their website and I got to know about what all programs they have in the academy and how they teach, and everything was mentioned in the website. Looked for the course that I was interested in. I saw the fees, and then I was like, okay, it's kind of expensive. It is definitely kind of expensive. And then I was like, okay, sure, let's leave an email, or maybe let's do an inquiry and know a bit more. So I did an inquiry and I immediately got a call. Whatever queries I had, I asked them what and how their teaching manner is, and how it is going to be different from other academies, and what all products and everything they are going to be like giving us, and what all is going to be used, and also when the next batch is going to start and things like that. So I was really like, I don't know who was talking. I think it was probably Rita ma'am, but I was like, oh my god, I need to go, like I need to get enrolled into this. Obviously investing such a big amount, at that time I was not sure, so I thought I let my brother like see through it. I also have a brother in Pune, so we kind of sent him to check on whether this academy was good enough for me. I don't want to learn anything that is wrong, or like wrong techniques or something, because when you're creating a base for yourself and you start with wrong techniques, it's a bit hard for you to go further and like to correct it, because that's all you have known your whole life basically. So I was really looking for something that can really teach me the correct techniques and like really make me a better makeup artist, if that makes sense. He immediately called us and told us that it's really the place that should be going, and I was really happy because I really liked SMA. And then my brother also kind of agreed to it, and then I confirmed with SMA once that was done that they have enough seats, or they have a seat for me. I did a small payment to book my seat. Yes guys, you have to like make a small payment to book your seat at SMA. I literally paid my amount like 2 months before the joining day. My batch started on October 2018, and I don't remember exactly the date, but I feel it's 21st of October. I'm not sure. I went to the academy for the first time and I was like, wow, this is the place where I really want to learn the interior and everything. It was like so nice, and I literally felt like, oh my god, I was destined to be here. On one side there was this studying room, like we had like a ring light, then a screen, like a TV, and like our teachers used to teach on our desk and everything. And on the other side we had this like mirrors, lights and everything, basically our workstations, where we used to work on each other. I must talk about how they used to teach at SMA. That is one of the best things that I have seen, and I was so happy that they were giving so much emphasis, like, you know, it was about makeup, but it wasn't just about makeup. It was about so many things, about like lights and how like everything affects makeup, and how you can really build yourself, and so much things. Like it was like the whole environment was so motivating, you guys. Our first teacher was Paiko ma'am. Baiko ma'am is like one of the sweetest and most kind person I've ever met, and her teaching style was so soft and so nice. Like whatever she used to teach, it used to like straight go into my head. The second teacher we had was, I think it was SR. Yeah, I think that was SR. SR was teaching us airbrush. Yes, that's my girl. Hi SR, if you're watching this video. SR taught us how to use airbrush. Really amazing as well. Then we went to bridal, and for bridal, along with her, Prachi ma'am was there to teach us both of that, and we learned amazing skills for both bridals, like for like Western bridal, like an Indian bridal. And Prachi ma'am was like the best. Prachi ma'am was someone who everyone was scared of because she is such a perfectionist. She would literally point out things that you didn't even notice. It was crazy, but it was really nice working with her. We had Barbara ma'am for fashion, and then we had Hilda ma'am for our fantasy. It was amazing. The whole program was like, you know, it's made in such a manner. I haven't made it clear what program I'm talking about. I chose like the whole thing where you learn from the basic to the end, fantasy and everything. The whole thing is for someone who doesn't knows anything about makeup, love doing each part of it. Obviously we had exams in between. We were given like question papers, and we had to like write answers and all that, and they used to check it, not only like written, but we also used to have practical, because obviously we're talking about makeup here. So we used to give our written exam, and then we used to go pair up. Till the basics we were doing makeup on each other, practicing on each other, and since everybody had like different type of skin, it was even more interesting and fascinating to learn more. The photo shoots used to be the most fun of them all, because we used to get to do makeup, and we used to eat biryani and pizzas, and it was like all sponsored by the academy, so it was really cool. SMA, to be very honest, it is a makeup academy, but like those 3 months that I had with SMA were one of the most like memorable time of my life. I made great friends. When I talk about my batchmates and everyone that was in my batch, everyone was so sweet and amazing, and we used to like really get along. All of us used to get along really nicely. Also provided with hair kits and makeup kits, Crayon foundations, we had illegal concealers and a lot more things. We also had like Miss Clear blush palette. It is, to be very honest, I used to judge Miss Clear so much before I got to really know how to use that. And the makeup brushes were also nice, but the bristles, some of the bristles were like coming off, so we immediately informed them about the brushes and the quality that it was coming off, and they decided to replace the foundation brush. It was the only brush that was like really coming off like crazy, so they also replaced our brush, which is very kind because most of the people really don't do that. Since they've started their own range, they provide you with their own products like SMA highlighter. In the hair kit we got combs, we got pins, we got buns, like donut buns and all that. It was really nice. The dummies were provided in the academy itself. We used to take the dummy with us. Everyone used to come and they used to just start blow drying. So it was really necessary that you were on time there. And yeah, you had to be on time. They were really strict with the timings because obviously they didn't want any of the students to miss out on a topic or anything like that. You really had to be there, and you really had to like make sure that you are on time and you're coming regularly, because obviously they would not entertain you again, or they will not teach you the same topic again and again. On Sundays, if we wanted to practice more, we still used to go there and practice more. SMA always made sure that we were interacting with our batchmates, and we were really getting to know each other, and we were really getting to know the different skin types that everyone had. So for that, they used to pair us together. We used to do like the theory work and everything in the morning, and after our lunch we used to do the practicals. In conclusion, I would totally recommend you guys to go to SMA. Yes, it is expensive. I am not gonna say it's not expensive, because the amount that you pay, it's just going to be for the education itself, the living cost, the traveling cost, and like all that, you surviving in the city wherever you're going, wherever you're joining. that all is something that you have to bear yourself, and it's not included. So definitely it is expensive, but it is totally worth it, because the quality of education that they're providing, the exposure that they are providing you is huge. And you have to understand that whatever a particular teacher is bringing to you or is teaching you is out of from like a several year experience. So if you're getting a whole package for a certain amount, why would you like just let it go? So you must grab it. Yes, you guys, I totally recommend you guys to go to SMA and become professional makeup artists. I got like so many people who were asking me like crazy whether I recommend SMA or not, how my experience was. So in short, I just made this video for you guys, and I'll be sending this video to everyone who is ever gonna ask me if SMA is worthy. Yes, I'm going to be making a lot of videos like these related to institutes that I have been and I've studied in, related to makeup and hair obviously. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Lots of love and stay home, stay safe you guys. Bye bye.